Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, what we got is this, which is a universal spoiler lip, which is going on to my Vauxhall Corsa D limited edition. But the problem we've got is the curve isn't right. So today we're going to try and tackle that and just see if we can make it fit. Okay, so as you can see, the end of the spoiler is sticking up, and that's on both sides. We need to somehow get it down to match the curve of the spoiler on the car. And the other problem we have is it needs to bend inwards on the ends towards the front of the car, if you know what I mean, because it's currently sticking out, and it needs to be bent to match the shape of the spoiler. So what we'll be doing is getting a heat gun. We'll be applying heat and then manipulating it to bend it. So the problem we have now is when I bent it, it's risen up in the middle and made this bump. Obviously we're going to have to get rid of that. I'm probably going to have to get some sort of filler to tidy it up. So what I'll probably do is I'll reapply heat to it and then flatten it down with something. So what I'm doing now is I'm applying heat to the corners to bend them to the shape of the original spoiler on the car. The mistake I made by doing this is that I was holding the heat gun too close and probably had it on too high of a setting, so it bubbled up a bit on the edges really. So if I was to do something like this again, I'll probably take more time with it and not rush it so much. So I'm going to have to fill on the corners of the spoiler as well. So as you can see, it is bending to the shape of it quite well, with minimal effort, to be honest. Okay, so I've finished that, and you can see, where the edge is bubbled, but it has bent to the shape quite well. So it makes life a lot easier fitting it now. So yeah, it looks pretty good. And to be honest, I knew that I was going to have to fill it, so it isn't much of an issue really. But you can see how rough it's looking at the moment. That was an amateur mistake, to be honest. I should have kept more distance and had the heat a bit lower. Maybe apply more heat to the bottom as well. But I've flattened that out now. It's looking a lot better. With a bit of filler, you won't even notice it, to be honest. On the other side, it's not as bad, it's bumped up a bit. Yeah, so just put filler on both ends and take it from there. So put filler on it now. But it'll look alright, to be honest. But once it's sanded in properly, I don't even think you'll notice. Okay, so that's sanded down now. I think it's looking pretty alright. So it's ready for paint, I think. So we're going to use a grey plastic primer. And if there's any discrepancies, it will show up in this colour now. So I'm just going to take my time, give it a little spray, and see how it's all looking. And if I'm happy, with the filling and stuff. I'll just give it a few more coats and then move on to the base. Okay, after the first coat, I think it's looking pretty good, to be honest. So don't think I need to do any more film or sanding. So, we're ready for the base. So I'm going to go with the black gloss to match the black gloss roof on the car. So as you can see, it's looking pretty nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a few more coats and then we'll be moving on to the clear lacquer. So this is the clear lacquer that I went with. Yeah, so that's all finished, and as you can see it's looking pretty good. So I'm just going to leave it a day to dry now, and then we can fit it on the car. Yeah, so I'm just going to clean it off with washing off liquid. It's a good degreaser, and then just wipe it up to dry it. So give it a little dry and then we're ready to fit. so just put the sticky tape that come with the spoiler on. I think it should do, seems quite sticky. I put it on as much as I could, and then we got fitted. Right, so fitting time. What I'm doing is fitting the centre of it first. Obviously I want it to line up in the centre, but I also don't want it to stick up in the centre, so stick it down in the centre first and then work on the edges and get them down. Okay, now that's all in place, I'm just going to go over it now and push it down, make sure it's all stuck nicely. And that's that done. Yeah, it feels proper solid, stuck well. It's not going anywhere. I'm confident that's going to stay there, to be honest.